I'm making for you today an uncooked pizza. It's not a raw pizza, it's not a cooked pizza, it's a not cooked but put together pizza. Now, I'm going to start off with the ingredients. The first thing is a matzo cracker. This actually comes like this, but you want to break it up because we're going to pile it up with all the goodness, okay? Some of the things we're going to use is onions. We have garlic in our avocado dip, which I created on my own. You can make yours like you like, or you can just have a straight avocado slices on there. And I also put what's called a vegan-aise, which is like a vegan mayonnaise, a mayonnaise that's vegan with no dairy. And then we have olives for those who like olives, tomatoes, that's sun-dried and regular, and I have a little bit of spinach, and to top it off, one of my favorite herbs, dill. So let me show you what the dill is. So we're going to start off by putting our, and you can do it in any order, but start with your wet first. We're going to start off with a little bit of our vegan-aise. Inside of here I have a couple of my herbs, favorite ones that I like in there, okay? Then we're going to start topping it with things we like, just like you would with the pizza that you get outside at a restaurant. So I'm going to start off with my onion. If you like a lot, put a lot. If you don't, don't. Going to put a little bit of spinach on there. Now these are like bite-sized hors d'oeuvres, if you will. I'm going to put some fresh tomato on here, as well as sun-dried, because that really wakes the flavor up. Can I just say that? And then of course olives. I absolutely love olives because olives are a great source of fat. Now you can put this avocado on right underneath there if you like. I like to just put a little dab on the top here, kind of to hold things in place. Yep, just like so. And then top it off with your dill. Okay? And that's how quick and easy it is. Voila.